Let's take this bike for a spin. Let's see how it is. Let's go. This is a 750 watt bike. The throttle is on this side, which is my first time using a thumb throttle that is located on the on my left hand, and I'm getting used to it. It's not bad. Something that I notice is that the battery power right here, it fluctuates depending on how you're using the bike. So don't think that it's going to be unreliable. It works actually. I can tell how much power I'm using while riding the bike. I need to adjust the gears right here. They're too deep inside. So top speed is about 20 miles per hour. I'm pretty sure it can go faster. I mean, it's a 750 watt motor, so I gotta play around with the settings, but out of the box, 20 miles per hour in this bike, it's pretty good because the bike is not that big. So here it's a bumpy ride, bumpy road, and I'm feeling it, but it's not that bad. Front suspension does help. Here's a bump. Whoa! I was not expecting that, but the bike took it really well, so yeah, it can take some speed. All right, let's check out top speed with throttle only. Let's see how it does. Oh, throttle only, okay. $15, $16, I mean, wow, it takes off really quick. 19 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour. I think that's top speed right now. Yeah, it takes off really quick. My God. Okay, so now let me test the bike using no power, no assistant at all. Just gonna ride the bike as if it was just a regular bike, and it's actually pretty easy to ride. The thing is, like, the bike is not that heavy, so it makes things easier, just in case if you want to ride or maybe you run out of power. There you go. What the hell? That looks so cool. Okay, so let's power assistant level 1. Let's see what happens. And honestly, I feel a little bit of power assistance, just a very little bit. Level 2. Okay, I feel it a little bit more. It's not that much, but it's enough for enough for you to go a little bit faster. So I'm going 11 miles per hour. It's nice. Level 3, a little tiny more. So the difference is not that much. Actually, I need to change gear because I'm going 14 miles per hour. Yeah, let's change to another gear. Level 4. Okay, there you go. I feel it even more. 15 miles per hour. Let's change to another gear. Gear 7. I think like level 4, gear 7 is the sweet spot right here. 17 miles per hour. It's not bad. Let me see gear 5, which is the top. And that's where we're gonna get about 20 miles per hour. So gear 5, you can feel that difference. Okay, I'm trying to even pedal faster, but you can feel the difference. 20 miles per hour. Yeah, that's a top speed. I'm gonna push it. No, even if I push it, it's still 20 miles per hour. All right, guys, so I'm gonna tell you what I like and what I don't like about this bike. So far, most of it is positive. There's a few negatives that I want to mention that I think is worth mentioning. But the first thing I like about this bike is that is the size. So if you're not that tall, I mean, I am not that tall, I'm on 5'8". This bike is perfect for you, especially for shorter people, because it's just a short bike. It has 20-inch tires and the frame is not that big. You can lower the seat and you can easily jump into this bike. Also, this part of the frame is lowered, so it's sort of like a step-through frame. So it's really easy to jump into this bike, especially if you are a short person. Why? Oh, the sticker can actually be removed. Probably gonna remove that. But yeah, so I like that. Another thing I love about this bike is that it's super lightweight. I mean, with one hand you can carry it. It's easy to load it to my truck. So I really like that. I'm so used to carrying those big size bikes, 20-inch 6 tires, and like, oh my god, this feels refreshing. Plus the 750 watt motor, it's really powerful enough to take off and have really good speed. It's very gradual, it's not that aggressive, but it takes off. Max speed is 20 miles per hour. Maybe I need to play around with the display to see if I can arrange to go even faster. It's powerful enough to get me going and it feels good. I like that. Another thing I like about the bike is that it has suspension right here in the front, so it does help with the road. It does help with the feel the smoother ride, but there's some limitation. I noticed that when I go into some bumps, it feels like it's hitting something. So maybe it's luck. Maybe I need to make some adjustments to this. So maybe it's just me. I need to make some adjustments, but I noticed that from the suspension. What else? I like that it has a rack, so you can put some of your items right there. Some of the negatives: first of all, I don't like this seat. This seat is not comfortable at all. After maybe like 30 minutes, I feel like my butt is hurting so bad. So I'm probably gonna change that seat. Another thing I don't like is that this hand grips, they feel cheaply made, like really cheaply made. The only thing I do like about the hand grips is that they're very grippy. They're very grippy. So if you like that, these are probably really good for you. Another thing I don't like, for example, the little bell that's supposed to be here, it came broken. So the bell is missing. It's not a big deal. You can always replace it, right? But yeah, it just arrived broken. What I can't get used to this shifter right here. I mean, I can go up to, right now it's at gear 7, but when I'm trying to change it, it just feels like my finger doesn't reach all the way up there. So if you want to change to like lower gears, it's just impossible for me. Maybe I just need to adjust it, right? Maybe that's all it needs. But out of the box, this is how it is. I don't know, this is new to me. I haven't tested something shifter like this one. Another thing I don't like is this LCD display. It looks kind of outdated. I'm gonna turn it on. I mean, there's a lot of information right there, but the display alone just looks outdated. This is the S700 hour meter. That's what it is. I feel like most of the bikes that I tested lately, they have either like a much better looking display or like a color display, which is nice. I like that. Maybe on the next model. But I think that's pretty much it. Everything else from this bike, it's really nice. They include the fenders as well. The fender in the front, they're made of aluminum, so they look they feel good. The battery has this the little display, so you can see how much power it has. You can also remove the battery and just charge it elsewhere, and that's what you need the key for. And then right here is where you charge it, just in case if you need to charge it right here on the bike. What else? The brakes. Okay, so the brakes, these are mechanical brakes. They are actually work really good. I'm very surprised because mostly, for the most part, I like hydraulic brakes. But trust me guys, these work really good and they don't make a lot of noise. That's so important. They don't make a lot of noise. Oh, also I forgot to mention the handlebars are totally adjustable. Notice right here how you can adjust this part of the handlebar, and then once you raise it up, you can also adjust the bar itself right here. So this is nice if you're a taller person. Maybe you could want to make this a little bit taller, maybe closer to you, and otherwise you just want to lower it down. So this is nice to have these adjustments, and that's pretty much it. So another thing to notice is that the tires, they are semi off-road tires. The grip is not that strong, they're not aggressive, so they don't make that much noise compared to other bikes. But they're good enough to go off-road. Look, a little bit off-road. Yeah, they're good enough to go off-road, but they perform really good on the road as well. Okay, so I'm going to do a hill test. This hill is not that steep, but it's very long and it's very tiring. If I turn the motor off, it's probably not gonna make it. Right now I'm level 3. I'm gonna do level 4 because I feel like it's going very slow. About 10 miles per hour, which is not bad. It's using, you can see the battery is halfway because it's just keeps changing depending on how much power you're getting. See, stop 25 miles per hour. Let's see how it stops. Whoa, yeah. These brakes, I'm telling you, they are strong. They are strong, responsive. I like it. I like them a lot. Well, that's it for this video right now. Go back to the house and see what else I can tell you guys.